We guide you through how to enable sensitive content on Telegram so you no longer see the cannot be displayed error. Start by opening the Telegram app and tapping the three lines menu in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security, where you'll find sensitive content or content settings depending on your version. Toggle the option to allow sensitive media and confirm any prompts that appear. If your app still blocks content, make sure you update Telegram to the latest version via your App Store or Play Store. Restart the app and clear the cache under Settings, Data and Storage Usage, Clear Cache, and finally test by opening a channel or chat known for sensitive content to ensure everything displays correctly. And remember, these settings only affect your account, so repeat the process on the other devices if needed, giving you full control over your Telegram content experience.